Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and we're ending the month of May, and I thought we'd take a look at a monthly chart of crude oil as it just posted its best month ever of trading. And if you look at this chart, you do see a 57% increase for the month of May, which is quite incredible when you think about where we came from after having 4 straight losses for crude oil, including a 40% loss in the month of March when many traders learned that you can indeed trade futures and crude oil into negative territory. But again, gaining 57% on the month. Quite a turnaround for crude oil. But will it continue, as it's not even back to these levels when the slide started, when it was trading around $55 a barrel? So still about $20 away from that. If we take a look at a weekly chart, you see it's been on the climb higher, gaining 6% on the week, trading at 35.45 with a chart analysis score of plus 70, indicating that overall we are still in a short-term long trend for crude oil, but we're in a deeper long-term trend right now. Key level to watch will be 33.80. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position in the short-term time frame for crude oil. We'll back it out of here. We'll go back to the indexes, and we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently with chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we're still in a sidelines mode as we're trying to recover from that deep drop in March. Currently trading at 3,044.31, up 3% on the week, and overall for the month gaining 4.5%. Key level to watch would be 2,766.64. A move below that level would give us a red weekly trade triangle or a potential short position for the S&P 500. Dollar index having back-to-back weekly losses, losing 1.5% on the week with a chart analysis score negative 70, indicating that overall we're in a sidelines position for the dollar index, trading at 98.27. Key level to watch would be 148 cents. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the US dollar. Dow Jones gave us a green weekly trade triangle at 24,718.46, signaling a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 70, again showing that we're in that sidelines position now. Currently trading at 25,383.11. Key level to watch for the Dow will be 22,789.62. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for the Dow. On a weekly level, it gained 3.7%, and for the month of May, it gained 4.2%. Big mover of the month was the Nasdaq, gaining 6.7% on the month and closing out this week. The last of the 3 indexes at 1.7%, but it had done all the heavy lifting earlier in the month. Currently a chart analysis score plus 70, indicating that overall we're still in a sidelines position for the Nasdaq. Key level to watch should be 8,705.25. Move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a potential short position for the Nasdaq. We already took a look at crude oil, so we'll take a look at gold. Having back-to-back weekly losses, losing about 0.5% this week, trading at 1,744.20 with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall we're still in a long position for gold. It's just failing to break above and break out above that $1,800 level. Key level to watch be 1,720. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Back out here, we'll take a look at Bitcoin. Really failing to get anywhere, currently down 1.3% on the week. It is gaining about 2% on the week, trading at 9,394.69, really stalling out right above that $9,000 level as it's been unable to crack $10,000. Chart analysis score remains plus 60, meaning that we're in a sidelines mode for Bitcoin. However, our monthly level is going to come down a little bit after the 31st, looking at a level of $10,074. A move above that level will give us a green monthly trade triangle, indicating a long-term uptrend for Bitcoin. With that, Eric, success. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you in the month of June.